9. Going to the doctor.
What are we going to do at the doctor today?
Huh? A doctor.
Are we going to see the baby today?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
And go see a baby.
And what's it going to be? A girl or a boy? A brother or a sister? What's it going to be?
A girl.
A girl? A sister?
A girl.
A sister baby? So you want a sister baby?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Can you sing a song?
Hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you sing a song?
You hear me? Love, true love.
Good job.